Greetings, word explorers. Ever come across the word abound? Do you know what it means? Let's embark on a linguistic journey to uncover the meaning of this fascinating word. If you don't already know, take a moment to guess what abound could mean. Got it? Well, abound is a verb that means to exist in large numbers or amounts. So, if something abounds, it's plentiful or in great quantity. Now that we know what abound means, can you guess its synonyms? Let's explore the synonyms of abound. Any guesses? Now, let's dive right in. One synonym for abound is plentiful. It's used when something is present in great amounts. For example, the apples in the orchard were plentiful. Another synonym is copious. It's a fancy way to say that there's a lot of something, like the artist had copious amounts of paint to work with. Next up, we have rife. This term is often used when there's an undesirable amount of something. Think of it as the city was rife with crime. And lastly, teeming. It gives the image of something overflowing or filled to the brim. Picture this. The forest was teeming with wildlife. So, there you have it. We've just learned 4 synonyms for abound: plentiful, copious, rife, and teeming, each with its own unique flavor and usage. Great job on learning the synonyms. How about we tackle the antonyms next? Now onto the antonyms of abound. Can you think of any? Let's take a moment to ponder. Okay, time's up. Let's look at some of these contrasting words. First up, we have lack. When something is lacking, it's missing or not present in sufficient amounts. Quite the opposite of abound, right? Next, we have scarce. Scarce means something is not readily available or in short supply. Imagine a desert, it's scarce of water, unlike a lake that abounds with it. Then we have devoid. Devoid means completely lacking or empty. Picture a cookie jar devoid of cookies, a sad sight indeed. Lastly, we have wanting. Wanting means not having enough of something or falling short. Well done on the antonyms. Ready for the final challenge? Let's identify some homonyms. Time for our last task, homonyms of abound. Any ideas? Now you might be scratching your heads because, well, abound doesn't have any true homonyms, that's right. But it does share a little resemblance with some words. Take around, for instance. Sounds a bit like abound, doesn't it? Or how about abound? It's not a perfect match, but it's close. And there you have it, folks. Congratulations! You've learned the synonyms, antonyms, and homonyms of the word abound. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove into the world of abound, uncovering its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and even homonyms. Fantastic job, word explorers! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quick Facts for more fun word discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.